Hey, so if you want an easy way to collect information, surveys, or registrations, yeah, Google Forms is one of the simplest tools you can use. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Forms in 2026. First thing, go to Google Forms and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're logged in properly. Next, click on Blank Form or choose a template. So, this is where you start building your form. All right? Add a title and description. I mean, this helps people understand what the form is for. Now add questions. You can choose multiple choice, short answer, or drop down depending on your need. Next, customize your form so you can change colors, add images, and make it look more professional. All right, go to settings. I mean, you can control responses, email collection, and whether users can edit after submitting. And yeah, click send and copy your link. You can share it through email, WhatsApp, or social media. So that's how you use Google Forms step by step. Once it's set up, collecting data becomes super easy.